Pinutol niya yung mga sanga-sanga.
That I don't know. So maybe I should leave this section until I figure out how to do the rest.
Maybe with the gang.
Right now, by myself, or
No, maybe one day have a party.
and with the right tools. If I had a winch, yeah, sure. I just tie the winch to the stump, tie it to here, and winch it out. Winch it, and it'll pull it out slowly but surely.
Because look, it's very big this. So when we, oh my God, have lots of bugs.
Oh, now for sure there's bugs.
Yeah. So gusto ko tong kahoy na to
Didn't
nung
die because of bugs, but
dumating
you see
kami
all the holes
dito.
on the side
Yeah.
there? That's all bug holes.
Nung
Here too,
dumating
look.
kami dito, ano to eh.
Holes. You can
Sarap magtambay sa ilalim kasi nga
see that.
maginaw at
That's
saka
the bugs that they ate in there.
smell like very sweet. That's why I like to stay under here, but now it's totally down. Dami pa namin gagawin. So ito yung old garden ko
Oh, the best
dyan.
spot is right there. That's the best.
So yung garden ko dito, gumastos ako
It's getting
dito.
kinda light.
Yeah, if this hour, but it's too hot
Even
now.
in the morning now, because now that tree is gone, it's not blocking that light anymore.
No, I checked this how many times. Yeah, but that flower, I really want to move that over there. But it's we got lots of bags. Hold this video that. I don't know if the roots of this is very deep.
I have no clue.
Because I like it's getting bigger now. I like to transfer to the other side. Yeah, we can't do it this
Not alone, no.
side.
I did as much as I can right now. It's like, hey,
Dami kong kagat mga ma'am sa sa bugs.
a lot
Dami
of
kasi
branches.
ng Where are you going? So ito, ipuputol pa namin tong mga damo
Get up here
dito.
with a shovel and the wheelbarrow after. And start straightening it out out here so we can put like a gazebo up here.
Yeah,
That's
we
where
need
I'd
to
love
flat.
the gazebo.
We need flat because very nice. If the gazebo is here, it's very nice because it's look the view over there. It's very nice.
Few shovels, wheelbarrow, and start digging up here. And lower it down here, and throw the dirt from here over here.
So nice. Because there, babe, I really like to remove all the grass there.
So it's
And
fun.
put
Here you
the-
can see over top of these trees.
Yeah, I
you can
know,
see all
it's
the trees in the
beautiful.
back, and you can see how much higher the other side is. Because our heads are pretty much at ground height over there. On that one.
It's very nice.
Hey Julia, wanna help?
Yeah, that's why I tell her, but we can't do it.
There's no more video.
So let's need to put the energy here for cleaning. Need more energy.
I'll have to come over.
Yes. Oh, it's nice here. It's nice here. Daming bulaklak ng ano. Di ko maano to kung cherry ba ito, pero maasim kasi siya. Yan, dami niyang bunga. Yan, namumulaklak siya. Dami niya, nagbunga siya, oh. Wow. So, ang laki na niya. Nung dumating kami dito, parang halos walang dahon ito. So, ngayon, so lumalaki na siya talaga. Wow. I want to clean this. Yan. So 5 years na kami dito mula nung nakuha namin tong bahay. Maliit lang to at halos walang dahon. So ngayon malaki na talaga siya, tumutubo siya. Yan naman yung may mga bunga na siya. Kaso, di lang namin magets kung ano ito. Parang cherry pero napakaasim niya. Ay, grabe. Daming ano. Yan. Ang ganda po dito ng ano. Ang ganda po dito magtambay. Kasi nga, nasa ibabaw. Again, dami naming gawain dito. Yan, cloudy